So our second university question I have given you is a 50 ohm resistor is connected in parallel with a 100 ohm resistor. So our 50 ohm resistor is connected in parallel with a 100 ohm resistor. So this is 50 ohm and this is 100 ohm resistor, and current through 50 ohm, here the current through 50 ohm is 7.2 ampere. Okay, so the current flowing through is 7.2 ampere. What is the third resistance to be added in parallel? Okay, so I have to add another resistance also. That resistance is R, to be added in parallel to make a total current of 12.1. So the total current coming inside should be 12.1 ampere. So what are the parameters given? The given parameters are the total current should be equal to 12.1 and the current through 50 ohm resistance is 7.2 ampere. Okay, and we have to find out what is the resistance. Okay, so first with the given data, we have to analyze what is happening in our circuit. So we have a 50 ohm resistance and we have a 100 ohm resistance, isn't it? We have a 50 ohm resistance and 100 ohm. So the current flowing through 50 ohm resistance, it is given 7.2, isn't it? So what will be the current flowing through 100 ohm? Naturally, the half of it, that should be 3.6. Okay, if you are not accepting with me, then I will give you some other equations. That is, current flowing through 50 ohm is 7.2 ampere, isn't it? So current into voltage, that is voltage across 50 ohm should be equal to voltage across 100 ohm, and it should be equal to voltage across the new resistance. So what is voltage across 50 ohm? Voltage across 50 ohm is equal to current through the 50 ohm into resistance 50, isn't it? What is current flowing through the 50 ohm? That is 7.2 into 50. That value will be equal to 7.2 into 50. That value will be equal to 360. So current flowing through 50 ohm is 360. So what will be the current flowing to 100? So current through 100 into 100. Okay, that should be equal to 360 volt. That should be equal to 360 volt. So what is current through 100? That is equal to 360 divided by 100 is equal to 3.6 ampere, isn't it? So look, the current through 100 is 3.6. That's why simple logic we can say like this. Okay, so what will be the current flowing, total current? We can find out the total current by summing it. That is 7.2 plus 3.6, that is 10.8. So we can say the total current here, I total is equal to 10.8 ampere, isn't it? So we can do like that, 10.8 ampere. Otherwise we can find the same using current division rule. What is the current flowing through 50 ohm? It is given as 7.2, that is equal to opposite resistance. At the initial state, opposite resistance was 100. So 100 into I total divided by 150, 100 plus 50. So I total is equal to 7.2 into 150 divided by 100, that is equal to 7.2 into 150 is equal to, and divided by 100 it becomes 10.8 again. So anyway we can do it. The question is very easy. So the total current is 10.8 ampere. Okay, so in order to flow this total current of 10.8 ampere, what was our resistance? What was our voltage supplied? The voltage is equal to, we know it is 360. We have already found out it is 360. So with this 360 volt, in order to flow this 10.8 ampere, then we have to find out the R equivalent resistance, okay? Or we have to find out R equivalent is equal to this 150 and 100 in parallel. So 100 into 50 divided by 150. So that is equal to 50 into 100, that is divided by 150, that is equal to 33.333. 33.333. Okay, with the 33.333 ohms, the current flowing was 10.8. Then the voltage across is 360 volt. What we have to make? We have to increase our current. In the second case, I2 total should be equal to 12.1, isn't it? So that 12.1 is equal to this voltage 360 divided by a new resistance, that is R equivalent parallel to our new resistance R. Okay, that is the new total resistance R, case 2, resistance of case 2. Okay, so what should be the next total equivalent resistance? That is R equivalent in this case 2 should be equal to 360 divided by 12.1. What is 360 divided by 12.1? 360 divided by 12.1, the value is 29.752. That is 29.75. Now the R equivalent, the new equivalent resistance should be 29.75. Only then the current will be 12.1. So what is the already existing resistance? R1 parallel R2. R1 parallel R2, already existing resistance is, that is new resistance R parallel to 33.333. So if I am writing it, then it will be R1 R2, no, 33.33 R divided by 33.33 plus R, that should be equal to 29.75. That is 29.75 R, 29.75 R plus 29 into 33.33. So what is it? 991.64. 991.64 is equal to 33.33 R. So if I am simplifying it, then I will get the 991, that is, we will get R is equal to 991.64 divided by 33 divided by 33.33 minus 29.75. That value will be 276.99. 33.33 minus 29.75. That is equal to 276.99. 276.99 ohms, or I should say my value of resistance is equal to 277 ohm. That is the answer, 277 ohm. Okay, and we should check what is, if we will get a total current of 277. How will we check? The total voltage is 360, no? So the current flowing will be 360 divided by 277. What is it? 360 divided by, answer you will get it as 1.29. That will be 1.29, isn't it? So the total current before was, what was the total current before? Here it was 7.2 and then here it was 3.6, isn't it? So the total current here will be 10.8 plus this new value resistance, that is 1.29. So plus 10.8 I am doing, so I will get 12.09, that is equal to 12.1 ampere. Okay, so I hope you understood how we should do our problem. Thank you. So we have to move on to our next problem, problem 3.